not to fight. Mom and dad are worried cause the bills are due. They're counting every penny, trying to make it through. Daddy drives to work on the other side of town. He pulls over on the shoulder, somebody's broken down. A man gets in the car, says thank you for the ride. Nobody else would stop and it's freezing outside. I'm the owner of the factory down a mile or two. Daddy tells a man, you know I work there too. Now everybody's happy cause Daddy got a raise. Ain't it funny what can happen when a little girl prays?
Oh, it never ceases to amaze me.
Time and time again, when somebody prays, you know the good Lord works in mysterious ways. You may not see it coming from anywhere, but God just answered another prayer. In every situation, God is in control. So little interventions that nobody knows. There's a mother back home praying for her son. He's under heavy fire from an enemy's gun. He's a soldier at the front, completely unaware of the angels catching bullets in the middle of the air. If we could only see, we'd surely be amazed at the mountains being moved with just a little bit of faith.
Oh, somebody's calling his name.
Time and time again, when somebody prays, you know the good Lord works in mysterious ways. You may not see it coming from anywhere, but God just answered another prayer. You know, time and time again, when somebody